Hello and welcome back to howtobecome.com, a leading train driver recruitment training company that's helped thousands of trainee train drivers worldwide. In this video, I will cover the tough observational ability test. In the real assessment, you will likely face a visual grid or animation icons on screen. For example, a directory or trains facing different ways. You must identify a specific visual target, like a correct train orientation, while simultaneously audio plays with high and low tones. You must count the high tones only. Let's start with a warm-up question using our own proven training method that will develop the skills you need. This warm-up question asks less of you as we are omitting the tones. Don't worry, we will get to the hard questions after that include the high and low tones, and also plenty of brilliant tips for passing throughout this video. So here is the warm-up question. Find all of the libraries with the area code 01734. So we need to use the key here and look for libraries, and we can see libraries has the icon of the stacked books. Now in this directory below, we need to look for all of the libraries with the area code 01734. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to work this out. Let me know how many you find, and then we'll break down the answer together before moving on to some more questions with those high and low tones, and we'll also keep increasing the difficulty as we go through the video. Your 15 seconds starts now. How did you get on? Well, you should have found 5 answer options. You should have found this one here, 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 and here. So those are the 5 you should have found. Like I mentioned, use that key, look for the icon, and make sure you remember that area code. Sometimes it can get very tricky because the area codes may be very similar. Now, before we move on to some harder questions with those high and low tones, a quick tip here, and I'll make sure to give you plenty more tips throughout the video, so make sure you watch it all, is to make sure you focus on accuracy, not speed. This test is about sustained, accurate attention, not reaction time. You are typically tested over several short blocks, and the test lasts about 10 to 15 minutes total, though it feels intense due to the cognitive demand. So let's move on to question 2 and ramp up the difficulty. This time, we will include the audio beeps. Remember, count the high tones and ignore the low tones. Here is an example of the high tone. And here is an example of the low tone. So give this question a go. You're doing exactly the same as before, but this time the question is, find all of the repair shops with the area code 01260. Make sure you count both those high tones in your head and also the number of repair shops with that area code 01260. Give this a try, and then I'll give you some extra tips and strategies and plenty of practice. Your 15 seconds starts now. How did you get on? Well, here are the answers. There were 3 answer options in the directory. Here they are. And there were also 3 high tones that you should have counted. Now, many people do struggle with these questions. So before I give you plenty of more practice questions, here are some quick tips and strategies for this and the actual test. First, as I mentioned, practice accuracy over speed. Don't rush. You're expected to be consistent. Missing fewer targets and getting the beep counts right is more important than responding quickly. Some people even tap a finger subtly to try and track the count without breaking concentration. Second, use your peripheral vision. In the visual part, trains or objects may be positioned in different parts of the screen. Try to scan the whole area without getting stuck on one side. And to help you practice, try brain training apps or multitasking challenges. For example, read something while a metronome plays and try to count specific beats. Okay, let's move on to some rapid fire practice questions to up the difficulty. It's now time for you to practice in a mini mock test. And just very quickly, please let me know the name of the train operating company you are applying to, and I will reply personally with even more tailored tips and advice. Question 3 is this. Find all of the cafes with the area code 01159. Remember to also count those high tones. Here is the directory. Please make sure you put your answer along with the question number in the comment section below this video so I can mark your answers for you and we can keep track of your scores. I reply to all comments. Thank you very much. Your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, you're doing really well. Let's take a look at question number 4. Don't forget to put your answer in the comment section below for marking. Find all of the cinemas with the area code 01426. Again, I'm going to give you 15 seconds to answer this. Don't forget to put your answer along with the question number in the comment section below. Your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. Find all of the tailors with the area code 01777. Here is the directory, and again, you have 15 seconds to answer this starting now. Let's move on to question number 6. Find all of the post offices with the area code 01136. Your 15 seconds to answer this starts now. You're doing really, really well. This last question is very hard. Let me know what answer you get below. Find all of the airports with the area code 01977. Your 15 seconds starts now. Well done for completing this training session. Don't forget to let me know your answers in the comment section below and I will mark them for you. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about passing the train driver assessments, and that's exactly the mindset you'll need to succeed. Now, if you're looking to take your preparation to the next level, we've got 3 powerful resources that can help you do just that. Number 1 is the online train driver tests platform. This is an interactive platform with instant online access where you'll get hundreds of timed practice questions tailored to the real assessments used by UK and global rail operators, including the full question set of observational ability test questions in an interactive assessment format. You can track your scores, learn from full explanations, and practice on your phone, tablet, or desktop anytime, anywhere. It's an affordable, high-impact way to build speed, accuracy, and confidence, all the things you need to succeed. To access it right now, you can click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video, head over to my website, howtobecome.com. Or if you prefer expert-led training, you can book a one-to-one train driver assessment center session with an experienced trainer who will walk you through each assessment, teach you proven strategies, and simulate real test conditions. You'll also cover interview prep and scoring insights, helping you avoid common mistakes and gain a serious edge over other candidates. I'll put the link in the description below. And finally, for those most serious about becoming a train driver, I'll link below our most comprehensive package valued at well over £1,000. It includes full access to all of our online test platforms, exclusive software, career guides, video walkthroughs, plus 2 private one-to-one coaching sessions with an expert to walk you through each stage. And you can do this ongoing when you have your assessment booked or beforehand if you want to get the perfect preparation in. This is ideal if you want personalized, all-inclusive approach that covers every stage of the process, from application to the job interviews to the assessment center. Whatever your learning style, we've got the tools and experience to help you succeed. Thousands of candidates have already used these resources in their preparation to help them pass, and you can too. So choose your path, start preparing, and get one step closer to becoming a fully qualified train driver. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job aptitude tests and their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like these. If you have any questions regarding the train driver tests, please feel free to put these in the comment section below, where I will get back to you. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your assessment. Have a brilliant day.